All right, guys, so I got a nice treat for you today. This is a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 TSI Comfort Line. It is powered by a 1400cc engine. It is turbocharged, and it has a 7-speed automatic transmission. So a very nice car all around. Let me show you. I hope that you guys like it. All right, so the condition of the body here is very clean actually. No major scratches, no major dents, nothing like that. It's got some original alloy wheels, 16-inch. So original again, Volkswagen alloy wheels, and in very good condition. No scratches, nothing like that on those either. So the overall condition of the body in this car is actually very clean. All right, so back here again, the exterior condition, the body, very good shape. No major scratches, no dents, nothing like that. Um, Also, a very good important fact on this is the LED tail lights. They are actually in pristine, very clean, no scratches, nothing like that. They're almost brand new, as you can see. So back here the car looks in very good condition. Let me open up the trunk for you here. So as you can see right there, it is very wide, very spacious. So enough room to carry stuff around. Um, and if you need more space, you are able to actually fold down the back seats, which will give you a lot more space. And down here, you've got your spare in case you get a flat. So, you know, it is very spacious and it's got everything you need. All right, guys, so now we're inside of the car. One of the coolest things here is you've got the wood trim around the doors and on this side, and then you've got it here along the console. And finally, you got it here on your gearbox right there. So, it's a touch of luxury right there. Very nice. You've also got the Tiptronic transmission here. So let me show you how that works. Right now we're in parking. That's reverse, neutral, drive. So that's what you would normally do. But you could actually, it's a semi-manual, if you will. That's what a Tiptronic is. So you push this to your left, and you are able to switch gears manually. So as you move along, you push up and, first, second, third, etc. And then, you can go down as well. So that's a cool extra feature here in this car. It allows you to have a little more control and a little bit of fun at the same time. So it's really nice that way. All right, so now here, take a look at the engine here. It's as I mentioned earlier, it's a 1400cc turbocharged, in very good condition. No leakages of any kind, no strange sounds, nothing like that. So it's in very good shape. Very fuel efficient, being a 1400cc, but still has quite a bit of power because of the turbocharge. So it is a very fun car to drive around. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed looking around this car with me. As I mentioned earlier, a 1.4 engine, turbocharged, a very fun car to drive around. What we're asking for it right now is 3,300 CNF to the Caribbean region. So that is for most of the Caribbean region, 3,300 US dollars CNF. So, get in touch with us. Give us a call. Our phone number will be right here. Our email address will appear right on this area. And you can find a link to our page in the more info area. So check out our website, check out our stock, and if you have any questions, we're here to answer them. We'll be waiting for you.